Alright, we're all set. It's showtime. This is it. This is the most awaited game for under 25 category. And that is good for 2 points. Unang subok, unang 2 points. Gapus contributing 2 points for your team. Roma Santa on the other side. 3-point attempt. That's not connect. Under the paint. Here goes Tansil. That's good for 2 points. And as we keep going, number 25 with the ball, locating number 11. Chua outside jumper, no good. There goes numero 8, Dancil with the ball being guarded. First teammate, aims at foul set, nope. Supply ang tirada nitong Heredero. We got 14 seconds on the shot clock. Dancil aims at nope. Laurone to his teammate, in and out. And takbuhan tayo ito sa basket nitong kupunan ng Roma Santa. Here goes Gapus at napitawan ng buko doon. Hindi maganda ang pagkakagapus. Balik na naman tayo. Heredero with the ball. Balik, panit lang. Ayun na naman. Ito pa. And as we keep going, 100 jumper, that's no good. Offensive rebound nitong hatid. Here goes number 3, foul set, no good. We got 6 minutes and 20 seconds on the game clock for the first quarter of this ball game. And as we keep going, 3-point attempt, that's not connect. Who's gonna get that basketball? There goes Tansil with the ball for your team. Olabe. Oh, Pansa! No good. Number 24 will hold that ball and drive it for your team, Roma Santa. And not check ball, nasty line. Here goes Heredero. Being guarded by number 11. We got 5 minutes and 49 seconds to go. Number 8 will grind the defense at breaking the roll. Basket count at Laika. Ooh, tampang foul. We got a basket count and foul against number 25. Pushing and a bonus shot. And a substitution on the court. That is first personal foul against number 25 and first team foul for your team, Roma Santa. That bonus is scared. And then Sale number 8 for 3 points. For next score, we got 2 against 5. Abay 3 puntos ang abante nitong kupunan ng Mulabe. On the other side, there goes number 11, Gapus with the ball. Sasayawan nitong Heredero. Here comes the boy. Attacks. Basket na. May kauban pang foul. We got a basket count. A foul against 0-1. That is first personal and first team foul. And that bonus throw is good. Gapos shooting 3 points. We got 5 minutes and 23 seconds on the game clock for the first quarter of this ball game. And as we continue, reverse lay, that's too big. Masyadong malalim. Dancil with the ball, mabibitawan ang buko doon. Here goes Gapos, locating number 25. Moving on pa, lista mo na ang dalawa. That's good for 2 points. We got 5 minutes on the game clock for the first quarter. And as we keep going, as we keep rolling, 14 seconds on the shot clock. We got 12 seconds on the shot clock. Dancil hits it, no good. Number 1 for the defensive rebound, being guarded by 2. And now here goes number 25, Roma Santa with the ball. No way, aim set, far set, no good. And now here goes Dancil, wearing jersey number 8. Now Ron hits it, outside jumper, nope. We got 4 minutes and 21 seconds on the game clock. And that ball is segundos. For the first quarter, here goes number 17, Heredero with the ball. Will go down with the defense. To his teammate, fires from the right wing, no good. And now Roma Santa with the ball. Number 25, locating number 11. Cross court pass. Chua with the ball. 12 seconds on the shot clock. 10 to shoot. We got 9, 8, Number 25 and from downtown, nope. Number 24, no way. Shoot it, 2 points. We got 3 minutes and 34 seconds on the game clock for the first quarter. And number 17 with the ball. And right there will go dance with the defense. Kick out pass. He aims it, fires it, no good. Number 8 Dancil, no good either. Again, that's good. Put 2 points. We got 3 minutes and 14 seconds to go. Chua will drive that ball, taking it easy, locating number 24, and now number 25. Inside pass, Cañete grinds, can't get it to go. But there's also segundo for the first quarter of this ball game. And that first throw is good. Number 1 hits it again. Jumpers ready. Cañete shooting 2 points. And as we keep rolling, as we continue to go, number 17, Andrews Uso. A foul is called for jersey number 11, 56 seconds. There goes Dancil with the ball. Oh! Benza. That ball went out of bounds. 2 minutes and 45 seconds to go. There goes the man, number 24. And foul against 0-1. Lauron on his second personal and 13 foul. We got 2 minutes and 43 seconds. 2 minuto at 43 segundos. There goes number 11, locating Chua with the ball. Cañete aims it, no good. Heredero on the way home, nope. And that ball went out of bounds. He's still ball position. Babalik for your team, Roma Santa. We got 2 minutes and 25 seconds on the game clock. 2 minuto at 25 segundos. For the first quarter, 14 seconds on the shot clock. There goes Cañete, nope. Again, no good either. Shot clock reset at 14. Reverse play. We got a basket count. And 2 minutes and 7 seconds. And bonus throw is good. We got 1 minute and 57 seconds, 14 seconds on the shot clock. Dancil aims it, no good. On the other side, Heredero steals that ball. Here goes number 17, waiting for his teammates to take their position and go dance, attacks that hole, no good. Under the paint, that's too good for the shot. Again, Lauron shooting 2 points. We got 1 minute and 28 seconds on the game clock. 1 minuto at 28 segundos. Heredero! Yes, sir! At may kauban pang foul. Wait lang po. And as we keep going, we got 1 minute and 16 seconds. Bonus throw is good. Heredero shooting 3 points. We got 1 minute and 12 seconds on the game clock. Number 3 with the ball. Locating number 18 fires. No good. Takbuhan tayo tungo sa basket nitong kupunan ng Mulabe. There goes Dancil with about 57 seconds to go. Number 8 drop pass. There goes the boy. Nope. Alagat na iistilan Dancil. Number 8 takes it up. Yes sir, sumabay ka pa. Huwag ka lang malikot. That's good. 40 points. We got 32 seconds to go. We're tied up at 14. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Number 23 hits number 3 hits it. Chua from way downtown. Bang! 4 3 points. 14 seconds on the shot. Game clock. We got 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. We got 4, 3, 2. One. Ay, wala pa.